With almost 10 years of caravan building experience, MDC have put all that knowledge together to come up with the XT15HR. With miles of style and a great host of standard features, maybe it's time you have a closer look and see why the XT15HR is so popular. Built with an aluminium frame and composite panel body, the XT15 range is tough and thermally efficient. Combined with double skin windows with screens and shades and the standard air conditioning, you're assured of all year round comfort. An internal cooktop and oven are the perfect addition for self-contained all-weather travel and will bring out the holiday gourmet. Ample cupboard space ensures plenty of storage for those items that make it a home away from home. The separate shower and cartridge toilet ensuite are roomy and well-equipped, ensuring privacy and convenience no matter where you camp. With an 80-litre grey water tank, it's also self-contained. The Dinette is comfortable and roomy with the added feature of leg rests for those lazy days kicking back. With a handy internal fridge within easy reach, you're set for a day on the lounge. The XT15HR, with the benefit of a hard roof, gives you that added storage volume for lightweight items so you can have all your non-perishables packed and ready to go at short notice. To top off the interior comfort, the XT15 comes with a comfortable 200mm inner spring mattress with a pillow top, ensuring a great night's sleep every time. Outside there is a kitchen with a 3-burner cooktop and sink with hot and cold water plumbed from the Truma 14-litre hot water system and the two 80-litre freshwater tanks. Right behind the kitchen is a space for a large portable refrigerator. An electric awning as standard is great for keeping you safe from the elements while using the outdoor kitchen or simply relaxing outside. The XT15HR has miles of boot storage for generators, chairs and all your camping needs. These storage areas are well protected by our triple seal hatch doors that incorporate 3 rubber seals to fend off dust and water ingress. Space, luxury, features galore, all built on the engineered reliability of the MDC Offroad chassis and independent suspension. For more information, head into one of our stores nationwide or go to marketdirect.com.au.